shadow lingers in the blue. Every quiet note still sings of you. Coffee rings on a worn-out page. Memories trapped in a softer age. I sit the silence bittersweet. Your heartbeat echoes in the street. Every second pulls me deeper into where we were to